Hi, I'm Jim Matson from Kane County, Utah, which is in the southern part of the state. I've had over 50 years of experience in the forest products and forestry business. We have been involved in the manufacturing and harvest of forest products and also in managing public lands as we've gone about our harvesting processes. What I wanted to visit with you about today is that we need to reestablish community capacities back on the local landscape so that we can truly and totally, all of us, enjoy the benefits from having managed forests instead of forests that are gradually disappearing as we have these reoccurring ground fires and forest fires that are impacting our habitats, ecosystems, watersheds, and more directly communities with a direct concern about health and human safety. The way to do this is to be able to get more local involvement so that we can overcome the difficulties and problems that we've been having caused by NEPA, Endangered Species Acts, and the rest. We want to make sure that all of us are involved in this and not just a handful of people that dictate outcomes, which are really not the best thing for us in the long run. It's interesting to remember and think that the Forest Service was set up after a series of disastrous forest management problems that took place in the 1800s back in Pennsylvania and New York State. We're in the process of actually repeating that cycle, and that cycle is costing us dearly today and unnecessarily. It impacts us in terms of our competitiveness, in terms of the local housing markets and housing markets in general across the country. We have the resources, we have the needs, otherwise it's all going to be going up in smoke. So I'm here to ask that we all get together, join arms, and start to work on a mutual solution that will benefit us all. We can return more money back to our economies, back to our state treasuries if we had the transfer of public lands as a possible mechanism that would get us to that point. We would be trading inactivity and passive management for more active management, and you have to realize that in all of human history, humans have been involved, people have been involved in their landscapes, and we just can't take them off the landscape and expect it to exist out there in a vacuum. Let me give you a comparison. Let's say that at your home you left the water on for 15 years and you just walked off and didn't come back after 15 years. You wouldn't be able to get through the front door. That's what's happening to us out here. In the meantime, if it hasn't burned down or the insects and disease hasn't tore it up, we'd be very fortunate. Well, today, the conditions in the West are such that we no longer can wait for this to just automatically take place. So people are involved. We need to be directly engaged in this process so that we can get the most and extract the most and protect the most and take care of each other, plants, animals, all of us alike. Thank you very much.